I can't, Auntie. I can't. This is too much. The pot is too big. It's not going. My wrists are killing me now. I've been trying this thing. No. You guys are abusing me. I'm sick and tired of what you guys do. Every time you want me to do complicated things. The last time you wanted me to kill the chicken. Today it's pots, it's funeral, it's all those things. What am I supposed to do? No, my mama never used to make me to do this thing. We have this electrical pots. It's painful. This stupid culture. I'm sick and tired of this stupid culture. Africa. Why Africa? I don't want it again. I'm tired. I'm coming back. Please, I don't need the salsa. Just put the meat for me. I want the meat only. I don't need the salsa. You don't want to give me. I can't finish. Fine. I'll buy pizza. Can't do this.